Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Miriam. Today's video is part of Elena Jenkins' DIY challenge. So this challenge is basically asking all the participants to create a DIY inspired from another YouTuber, Pinterest, you name it. So my DIY was inspired by another YouTuber. Her name is Crafts by Caitlin. And Caitlin does a lot of amazing Dollar Tree DIY. So I'm going to link her channel down below so you guys can definitely check out some of the cool things that she's made. The host for this challenge is Elena at Elena Jenkins DIY. Elena's co-host for this challenge is Michelle at Michelle's Cozy Home. So I will have both of their channels as well in my description box below so you guys can check all of them out in addition to the playlist so you can see what everyone made. So let's get right into the video. I have these items from the Dollar Tree. I have two of the bowls that you can get from the dollar store. This is plastic. And I have these candle holders. I have two of them also from dollar store. This is glass. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys like something really cool that you can make with these two dollar store items that'll look very high end and no one would even know that you made it from dollar store. So this is Gorilla Glue. I'm just gonna place it on the top. Hot glue around it. Then I'm gonna place my bowl right at the center. And I'm gonna place glue right on top of that. Again. Then add a hot glue around the Gorilla Glue. And then I'm going to attach the top of the